Okay, 29 is asking which of the following statements are true. And this is basically testing your knowledge on radicals. So in problem A, we're looking at root 7 times root 5. Now we learned that if you have root A times root B, it equals root A times B. So root 7 times root 5 would equal root 7 times 5, and 7 times 5 is 35, making this statement true. I'm going to highlight it because it's true. All right, next one. They're asking us, does root 35 over root 7 equal root 5? Well, we learned the rule that root A divided by root B is equal to root A over B. That's a rule as well. So root 35 over root 7 would equal root 35 divided by 7. And since 35 divided by 7 is 5, this is true as well. B is true. All right, for C, we learned that you can only add and subtract radicals that have the same radical part. You can do 2 radical A minus radical A and get yourself 1 radical A. But you cannot do this if the radicand, the number under the radical, is different. Radical A minus radical B is as simple as you can get it. Equals radical A minus radical B. So we cannot subtract root 10 and root 3. So this is wrong. It's not true. All right, same goes for part D. Root 5 plus root 6 equals root 11. Once again, you can only add and subtract if the root part is the same. So if we had 2 root A plus root A, we would have 3 root A's. But we cannot add them because the radicals are different. So this is incorrect. All right, part E is all about simplifying radicals. We learned that you can simplify radicals if part of the radical you could take the square root of. So for example, right here we have root 36 equals root 16 times 2. Since 16 times 2 is the same thing as 32, that's fine, that's a good simplification. And root 16 popped out and became 4. 2, which you cannot take the square root of, is left under the radical. So this is in fact true. Root 32 is the same thing as 4 root 2.